Hello everyone. So this video is all about determining whether the given relation is a function or not. So first, let us define what is relation and what is function in math. Okay, so relation is a connection or association between elements of one or more sets. Okay, while function, okay, it is a relation which describes that there should be only one input for each, or only one output rather, for each input. Or we can say that a special kind of relation, or the set of ordered pairs, okay, which follows a rule. An example, in every x value should be with only one y value. Okay, there is a note there. It says here, all functions are relations, but not all relations are functions. Okay? Ganon din naman, di ba, sa buhay, hindi lahat ng relasyon ay nagfa-function. So, sabi dyan. So, paano nga ba magfa-function or paano matatawag na ang relation ay isang function? Simple lang, okay? Isa lang yung tatandaan ninyo, dapat hindi nauulit si x. Okay? Okay lang marami or ayos lang maraming y. Okay? Basta hindi na dapat inuulit si x or hindi nauulit si x. Okay? Let's have an example or let's start. Okay? Okay, so let's start with this one. So we have to state whether the given, okay, is a function or not. So number one, we have here a country and its capital city. So this one, okay, we all know naman na, di ba, in every country meron siyang particular na city. Okay, so this is a function. Okay? For example, Pilipinas. Okay? Sa Philippines, ano yung capital city niya? We have Manila. Okay? In Japan, we have Tokyo. Okay? So, in every country, there is this significant capital city. Okay? Next, we have number two, a country and its flag. Okay? Syempre, ito, obvious din. Okay? Every country, meron naman siyang iisa or unique flag. So in every country there is a one or unique flag. So this represents a function. Okay? Next we have a book and its ISBN. Okay, ISBN, it is the number, okay, the international, if I'm not mistaken, it is the international standard book number. Para siyang code ng isang book. So sa ganyan, sa book, kahit meron siyang first edition, second edition, ganun, third edition, kahit ilang edition pa yan, yung book na yon meron siyang particular or unique na number, or yung parang code niya, kumbaga. So, dito, function din siya. So, this is a function. Okay? Next, a product and its barcode. Okay, obvious dito, di ba, sa mga nag-grocery dyan, okay, di ba, kapag nasa counter tayo or nasa cashier, meron silang yung barcode, tinatapat lang nila dun sa, ano yan, sa machine. Okay? Tapos, ayan, nare-read na. Tapos, yan, in every product, okay, hindi siya nauulitan or hindi never nauulit yung barcode. Kasi nga, unique yun sa isang product. Para ma-determine agad. Okay? Yung price, okay, yung, yun, yung mismong product. So, of course, this is a function. Okay? Next, we have the last one, a person and their email addresses. So, this is not a function kasi, bakit? We have, okay, sa isang tao, possible na magkaroon siya ng multiple na email address. Just like me, ang gamit kong email address ngayon, I think I have 3. Okay? So, isa, yung FinmaEd email address ko. And then, pangalawa, yung personal email address. Nandiyan yung mga transactions ko. Nakakonect yung sa bank account, something like that. And, pangatlo is yung for, yung student email address ko. Kasi nga, diba, I'm also studying right now and yun, ginagamit ko siya, okay, for studies, okay, purposes. So, ayun siya. So, that's an example. So, in every person, pwede siyang magkaroon ng multiple email address. So, ibig sabihin, nauulit Okay, nauulit yung input. Ano yung input? Yung tao, 'di ba? Okay, nauulit yung input natin. So, ibig sabihin, that is not a function. Depende na lang kung, syempre, i-restrict natin na yung parang may rule na dapat yung isang tao may isang email address. Pero wala namang ganun, 'di ba? So, it's okay, unlimited yung paggawa mo ng email address. So, that's why. Okay, so these are some examples lang of real life scenarios, okay, regarding functions. Okay? Next, how about this one? Set of ordered pairs. Okay? So, for set A, okay, so alam naman natin na yung x natin ay yung mga first value dyan, tapos y yung second. Okay? So, let's see nga. Okay? Let's see. So, for set A, ano to? Function or not? Okay. So, since walang naulit na value ng x, as you can see, unique naman siya, -2, -1, 0, 1, tapos 2. Okay, this is a function. So, dito, ang mahalaga, ang titingnan nyo lagi is yung x. Okay? Walang pakialam si y. Kahit maulit ng maulit yan si y, kapag yung x is unique siya, function siya. Okay? How about for set B? We have -3, -1, binabanggit ko yung yung mga x. Okay, -3, -1, 0, -2, 2, -3. So, as you can see, naulit yung -3. So, this is not function. Okay, not function. Okay, next, square root of 2, set C, we have square root of 2, square root of 5, square root of 3, square root of 5, and then 2. Of course, naulit-ulit C. Anong naulit? Square root of 5. So, this is not function. Okay? So, yan. For ordered pairs naman yan. Next, we have the Venn diagram. Okay, so titingnan natin. Itong una natin dito. Okay? So, si x daw, yung input x, ito yung input natin yung first. Okay, or yung x natin. Tapos, ito yung output natin. Okay, ayan. So, sa input x, meron siyang output A. Sa input x, ulit, meron siyang output B. Okay? Tapos, sa input y, ayan, parang meron dito. See, nakulangan siya. Okay? So, as you can see, na doble yung x natin, which is dapat hindi. Kaya, ibig sabihin, this is not function. Okay? Naulit yung x natin. Okay? Next, how about this one? Kay Jana, meron siyang Ray. Kay Donna, meron siyang Mark. Kay Maya, meron siyang Ken. Okay, so this is a function. One-to-one relation or correspondence. So this is a function. Okay? Walang naulit na input. Ito yung input, ito yung output. Okay, x and y. So this one in here, in every A, we have x. In every B, we have y. In every C, we have y. So, as you can see, ito yung x natin, always ito yung y. So, as you can see, naulit yung banda dito or yung y natin. So, still, that is a function. Kasi nga, sabi ko sa inyo, kahit maulit yung y, basta wag lang yung x. Okay? So, that is a function. Next, how about in table value naman? Okay? So, we have here x. Ayan, 0, -1, 4, 2, tapos -1. So, as you can see, it's clearly seen here that naulit yung x. So, this is not function. Okay? So, ganyan lang mag-determine. Basta lagi nyong titingnan yung x kung nauulit ba siya or hindi. Okay? Next, for the second one, we have 4, yung x natin, -3, 1, 2, at saka 5. So, unique lahat. Walang kaparehas. So, this is a function. Okay? So, tatandaan lang ninyo, ang tinitingnan ko lang yung x kasi yun lang yung talagang dapat i-consider natin. So, walang pakialam si y kahit ilang beses siyang maulit. As you can see here, ilang beses na ulit yung -2. Pero still, function siya. Okay? Basta walang nauulit sa x. Okay? Next, the last one. Okay, ito naman, graph siya. So, gagamitan niyo siya ng vertical line test. So, pag sinabi natin vertical line, pag gumuhit ka daw, Okay? Pag gumuhit ka daw ng vertical line sa kahit, imagine nyo na lang na straight line siya. Okay? So, pag gumuhit ka daw ng vertical line dyan sa kahit saang part, tapos pag nag-meet lang sila ng once, okay? Nag-intersect sila ng once, yung graph tapos yung vertical line mo, ibig sabihin function siya. Pero pag twice or more siya na nag-intersect, just like this one, ayan, as you can see, 3 beses siya, oh, kahit saan ka gumuhit dyan, na-intersect niya yung graph mo ng thrice. Okay, so this is clearly not function. Okay, how about this one, the second one? O yan, magguhit tayo kahit saan dyan. Okay, as you can see here, nag-intersect sila ng, ayan, ilan? Twice. So again, this is not a function or not function. Okay, how about this one? Ayan, kahit saan ka gumuhit dyan. Once lang niya na intersect. So this is a function. Okay? So that's how you determine whether the given, okay, graph, Venn diagram, ordered pairs, okay, table of values, okay, is a function or not. Okay? Always, lagi niyong tatandaan, hindi nauulit si x. Okay? Kahit maulit ang y's, kahit maraming y's dyan, dapat hindi na inuulit si x. Okay? So that's it. I hope you understand, and I hope you now know how to determine whether the given is a function or not. Thank you.